Alright, some of you guys are having a little bit of trouble with the 3-8 homework assignment. And because I would love for you to do well on your next test, let's go over some of these. So this video will have number 1 and 2 from the 3-8 homework. So my version of this is asking to use y equals mx plus b to write an equation of the line given with the following information. So they told me that my slope is 2 and the line's passing through the point 3, negative 4. So we know what our m is. It's y equals 2x plus b. To write this equation of slope-intercept form, I need to know what my b is. Well, it so happens that I have this point where I know my x is 3 and my y is negative 4. So if I substitute negative 4 in for y, and my 3 in for x, you see I have everything but that b. And now I'm able to solve for b. So negative 4 equals 6 plus b. Let's subtract that 6 from both sides. And I have my b is negative 10. So my equation is y equals 2x minus 10. All right. So on my version of number 2, they want us to do the same thing. Our slope is negative 2/3 through point 1, 0. So y equals mx plus b. Okay, so again, our slope, they already told us, was negative 2/3, so y equals negative 2/3 x plus b. Now let's substitute, we have x is 1, y is 0. We get that from that ordered pair. So 0 equals negative 2/3 times 1 plus b. So 0 equals negative 2/3 plus b. All right, now let's go ahead and add the 2/3 to both sides. And we get b is 2/3. So now we're ready to write our equation. Y equals negative 2/3 x plus 2/3.